This August, a police officer at Frederick Douglass High School proved how a small act of kindness can go a long way.
Here at Frederick Douglass, we had a student with a disability who was having some issues with controlling their brand new wheelchair. When Officer Josh Stegall heard about this, he knew that he wanted to help her with this issue.
One day I was coming down the hallway and I seen her. She was running into the wall. So I stopped Miss Good and asked her what was going on. She was like, well, she was learning how to use her wheelchair because she had just got it. And I noticed on her joystick on the wheelchair, it was missing the circular ball to be able to control it. So just so happens we were by Coach Evander Harris's classroom, so I stopped in and asked him if he could help us out.
When engineering teacher Evander Harris found out about the situation, he took no time at all to help out. Using precise measurements, he was easily able to model up something that would work and would be ready to 3D print.
He thought it'd be a good idea to, help her out with an attachment for that wheelchair. So I basically got our CAD software together in about an hour or so, figured out the measurements of her hand, had the joystick printed using our 3D printers, and had that on her wheelchair by the beginning of the next school day.
This is Kamari, and Kamari has cerebral palsy. Kamari uses this to drive her wheelchair, but it had just this. This is all there was to it. So she was having to try to maneuver this with her right hand. So we were going down the hallway one day and Mr. Stegall said, she needs a ball. And he said, and the person who can make her one is Mr. Harris. So the difference is with the ball, she's able to put her hand on it like this as opposed to trying to navigate with her fingers like this. So the ball made a big difference. So we went to see Mr. Harris, and he came out and he measured her hand and he measured this, and he asked her what colors that she wanted, and she chose Frederick Douglass green and orange and purple just because she likes purple. She has 3 different ones.
If you're capable and you can help somebody, just help that person. That's how we get better as a whole.
We want to help students, help kids reach their fullest potential. And I just felt like it was, in my nature and part of the job to help out where I can.
You have anything you want to say to Officer Stegall or Mr. Harris for making your ball? Thank you.
Let this act of kindness inspire you to help make your school and community a better place. Reporting for True North News, my name is Micah Jones, signing off.